from Slovenia again. Today we will do some flower dips and I choose those colors today. I have metallic brown, gold, metallic copper, I have permanent rye red, I have Venetian rose, and I have Naples yellow, red, and titanium white and black. And black will be my background color, and I already painted my, oops, there was something in there, painted my canvas black. So now I will put down some dots, and I want my kind of flowers to be right here. Now I will blow. I will blow just down. So I have to admit that I have a little different painting in my head, but I'm happy with this one too. Like this flower a lot, and this one here. I'm not a big fan of this, but yeah. And I did sprinkle some color in the negative space, just a little bit, because I thought that it's just a little too much negative space. So yeah, let me see how this one will dry. So she dried and she cracked, unfortunately. But I will publish this to explain to you what went wrong. I have paints mixed with different mediums. Some of the paints, the black, was mixed with glue, and my other glue pouring medium, and my other paints were mixed with Floetrol and Gloss varnish. And obviously these two mixtures just don't work together well. So if you get cracks, maybe pay attention on that too. Paintings can crack for so many reasons, but definitely some mediums don't work together if you use them in the same pour. So yeah, lesson learned. But maybe I will do another one with those colors, because I kind of like this natural red look, or how can I say, it's not too the red that just, you know, pops, screams or whatever. It's kind of more natural. So yeah, but it was fun to make it. Unfortunately, she will not leave, so, but sometimes we have to show you our mistakes too, that you can learn something from them too. So yeah, this was for today. Thanks for being here with me and see you again tomorrow. Bye!